The fight over the Kaveri water between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu have once again been reignited after an all-party meet was held in Karnataka, wherein the parties decided to release only 8,000 cusecs of water as opposed to 1,000 million cubic meters of water. Tamil Nadu government will now chair its own all-party meet, terming the decision of Karnataka government as treachery. The Stalin-led government is all set to deliberate over the decision by its neighboring state. The Water Resources Minister will be chairing the meet. In Tamil Nadu, the opposition AIADMK has used the issue to lash out at the ruling DMK government, accusing the Chief Minister Stalin of not fighting for the state's rights and giving in to the demands of the Congress for the sake of the INDIA bloc, even as the DMK has refuted these charges, calling it a fight between states and not parties.
See, it is a fight between the states and not the parties. So the people of Karnataka want more water. Lower riparian river should not be denied of water. And there is an agreement between the states that so much of water should be shared during heavy season. The authority will take care of it. Tomorrow's the Al-Party meeting may take a decision whether to go to Supreme Court or to approach the authority.
हमेशा अगस्त महीने में CWRC उसको जजमेंट देता था, इस बार जुलाई में दिया है। पिछले साल में भी सूखा रहा, पिछले साल में भी वी आर फेसिंग ड्रॉट। इस बार भी 30% डिपॉजिट है, वर्षा का रेनफॉल का डिपॉजिट है। उसके लिए हमने बोला है लीगल टीम को, आप रियलिटी को फेस करना, वहाँ रियलिटी को बता करके इंटरिम एप्लीकेशन डालना। ऐसा है हमारा हालत के वजह से हम पानी छोड़ना मुश्किल होता है।
Now, the governments of both Karnataka and Tamil Nadu have been locked in tussle over the sharing of Kaveri water, which is seen as a major source of sustenance for the people, especially the farmers of both the states. We're crossing over to my colleague Neha to bring us more on this. Neha, tell us more about what we can expect today when it comes to the Kaveri water dispute. All right, we will try to reestablish that connection with my colleague Neha at this point. But again, the fight over the Kaveri water between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu has once again reignited. This comes after an all-party meet was held in Karnataka. Let's cross over to my colleague Dharni, who brings us more.
The issue between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu in connection with the Kaveri is something both the states see every year, and this time the Chief Minister has condemned the Karnataka government in very strong words. He has told that the Karnataka government's refusal to release 11,000 cusecs of water to Tamil Nadu as per direction from the Kaveri Water Regulatory Committee is against the Supreme Court's order, is in contempt with the Supreme Court's order, is what he has told. And he has also told that Tamil Nadu government will today hold an all-party meeting in the Secretariat. This meeting will be headed by Water Resources Minister Duraimurugan, and representatives from all the political parties that are part of the Legislative Assembly. They'll be taking part in this meeting. 11 a.m. in Secretariat is when this meeting is going to happen. And legal experts from the Tamil Nadu government, the senior advocates representing Tamil Nadu governments at various levels, they will also be participating in this meeting to provide legal suggestions and opinions. So after the meeting, Water Resources Minister Duraimurugan is expected to meet the press to reveal the details of the meeting, the minutes, discussions, what kind of discussions took place in the meeting. But definitely the Chief Minister has this time condemned the Karnataka government using very strong words. He is calling the Karnataka government's refusal to release 11,000 cusecs of water as per direction from the Kaveri Water Regulatory Committee as a contempt of the Supreme Court order, and he is telling that the Tamil Nadu government will not keep a blind eye to what is unfolding, and that the government in its power will take all necessary steps to make sure it gets its rightful share of water from the Kaveri.
All right, now we're crossing over to my colleague Neha to bring us more on what we can expect today. Neha, tell us more about the Karnataka state stand.
Well, Aisha, yes, we've seen that after having convened an all-party meeting over here in the state, the unity, in fact, in the opposition and the ruling was quite evident there, with them saying that, they would not be in a position to release anything more than 8,000 cusecs of water. Remember, this is, in fact, about 3,000 cusecs short of 1 TMC that was directed by the Kaveri Water Tribunal there, to, of course, release to the state of Tamil Nadu. However, given the fact that Tamil Nadu today also has convened an all-party meeting, we'll really have to wait and see how this pans out. Of course, what led the state of Karnataka to arrive at this figure of 8,000 cusecs is the fact that the state hasn't been receiving a good amount of rainfall. It's been scanty rains across the state. The reservoirs, in fact, haven't been able to be filled up, and as a result of which the state says that, there wouldn't even be enough water for the drinking water needs of the state of Karnataka, and which is why this decision was arrived at. Whether the state of Tamil Nadu, of course, decides to challenge this now legally and how this goes forward, we'll really have to wait and see.
Neha, can you tell us more about whether there are any differences when it comes to the Karnataka government over how this is being handled?
Well, absolutely not, Aisha. In fact, not just within the government, but even the government and the opposition parties over here, the JDS and the BJP, in fact, have all united now with the government for the cause of the Kaveri River water. And that's precisely how it has been over several decades now, ever since the fight, began between both the states here for the river water. Now, as far as, of course, the stand of the state over here is concerned, they're quite united here on the aspect that, the state would not be in a position to release any more water to Tamil Nadu, except the 8,000 cusecs that they've in fact, come out and said on record. Of course, if Tamil Nadu so decides now to challenge this legally or to, approach the Kaveri Water Regulation Committee there or the Kaveri Water Management Authority there again, that we'll really have to wait and see how it goes. But, of course, one must remember that when we're putting this in perspective, as far as both the southern states are concerned, it's always been a pain point for a month or 2 months, when, of course, the states witness drought or scanty rains. Following that, it's often always, smoothened out there, the differences between both the states. We'll really have to wait and see how this goes forward.
Absolutely, Neha. Thank you so much for joining us and getting us those details.